Here we go. I can smell the chlorine. Tad moist. I could see that coming a mile off. Ah. Oh wow. Oh, they're looking a little extinct to me. Oh, this looks intriguing.
Into the darkness. I'll bounce again. And again.
Wow. The smell reminds me of being at the swimming baths. Hey! Soggy botty. Oh god. Oh no. Hey! Oh no, soggy wallet. That's not good. Oh well, it'll still be valid if it's wet.
Mr. T-Rex is coming to take a bite. Terry Rex.
Lovely set of chompers there, sir. Do you clean them daily? I bet you use Oral-B. All the dentists do. Reportedly.
What's going on here?
Whatever you do, don't go for a swim.
Oh, that was it.
Yep. I'm sitting downwind.
Yeah, it's more the trikes of eagle worry about.
Yeah. Okay then. Ugh. And there we have it. I won't bother filming all the way up, but yeah, not bad.